Hello guys, today we are analyzing the pound dollar forex pair again, and as we said yesterday, Monday was not a day without important economic reports from the UK, so we had little movement in the daily candle, only around 70 pips tall candle. But tomorrow is a different story, as we are going to get the CPI or inflation report from the UK. Both the headline and the core inflation headline is expected to come out at 0.8%, and the core number is expected to print a 1.4 increase in prices on a yearly basis. So the important thing to realize here is that an upward surprise in those numbers, especially if both numbers surprise to the upside, probably that will trigger a short squeeze on GBPUSD. So if we look at the 4-hour chart, probably this trend line will be broken to the upside and maybe move out towards this resistance zone here. But also keep in mind that Wednesday and Thursday also we have important economic reports from the UK in the employment numbers and the retail sales. So initially, even if the CPI surprises to the upside, that a squeeze higher might not be triggered immediately. So the market may wait first for Wednesday and Thursday before it really shoots up, if that's what it's going to do. Now, if downside surprises, if the inflation numbers surprise to the downside, then not necessarily GBPUSD will break lower, because this area is now a strong support zone, and the pair is really looking oversold and overextended on the short side. So probably now most likely it's not smart to enter short from these levels, but if you can catch some move in a break higher, that would be probably a better strategy at the moment. On the technical side, nothing much. You can see we are still trading inside of this sort of a triangle on the 4-hour chart that we can see here. This one 2480 is a mild resistance zone. Down here 120 we have support. So if we get a break higher, then we have some 250 pips move of room to move higher. We can also see that the weekly pivot point has not been traded for this week, which is this blue line that stands around 50 pips higher than current levels. That is the 123.40 level. Sorry, that's 122.40 level. And most often weekly pivot points are traded in a given week by the price. So also you can see this up here 125.80 is a strong resistance zone above this 124.80 that we talked about just now. So that's about it for today, guys, and we're gonna talk again tomorrow on the GBPUSD pair. Thanks for watching, and talk to you tomorrow.